Today we are in Westchester, New York. Customer called our company, says he need to change the spring and the opener. As you see, we here. We just changed the springs for the customer. Here's the springs, brand new. And the other side as well, brand new. And this is the old opener. We're gonna change it, and right here is the new one. We're just installing it, put everything together. Just finished installing the opener for the customer. We are in Westchester. As you see, the LiftMaster brand new. And here is the customer. How you like the job, buddy?
Everything is great.
What we did for you?
Safety wire, new springs, new pulleys, the LiftMaster Garage Opener.
Are you happy?
And, yeah, of course.
Very good. Thank you for using us.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Looking forward. Take care.